Hi, my name is Steve Munoz. I'm with Duncan Business Machines, and we're going to talk about how to change ink cartridges in printers. Basically, you turn them on and it will go to a home position. When it gets to the home position is when you can open the lid, and if you just have a black printer, then you're just going to have one cartridge to change. If you have a color printer, you're going to have 4. And there's a lock that you lift up and you press on this lip here, and that's how you remove them. And we'll just remove all of them. And then you would install your new ones. Your new ones on your printer, they're going to be color coded, so you don't have to worry about the numbers. You simply drop them in till you hear a click. And there's red, blue, and yellow. That's on all printers. And black. You would close the lid to them, and that's it. That's how you change the printers, the ink cartridges on the printer.